ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महरे ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना ॐ सहनावतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनामधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै
midday meal today. Thus, on the occasion of our youngest daughter Kumari Riya's Janmadinam, on this SPSS moment, all of you pray to God to give good health and wealth to their family. Thanking you. Annadata, Annadata, Annadata.